welcome to CHINAPLAS 2024, the Tech Hub at CPRJ at ENGEL's booth. Today we'd like to explore the booth of ENGEL, and let's welcome Mr. Gero Willmeroth, the President of ENGEL Asia and ASEAN. Good afternoon.
Good afternoon.
Nice
Great
to meet
see
you again. So how do you feel about the show today?
I'm very excited because it's the first time after 6 years coming back to Shanghai now. And you can see there's a big crowd here at the show. That's exactly what we expected, that many people will come to the Shanghai show and see what's happening in the plastics world.
Yes, I noticed that a lot of people crowded in ENGEL's booth.
Yes.
And one of the machines ENGEL exhibit today is this emac
Yes.
100.
Great, yes.
So would you please tell us some details about this highlights?
Sure, yeah. Yeah, we have here at the show the emac 100. It's a 100-ton all-electric machine. And we are producing here in a clean room edition of this one. There's of course no clean room around here, but this one is a clean room edition. We produce pipette tips. This is labware. You need to test something. And here the specialty is that you have a very high length to diameter ratio, which makes it very difficult to produce. So you need a very high precision machine for this, which we can do on our emac machine.
Okay, so in addition to this medical application, I noticed that sustainability is another topic for ENGEL's booth today. Yes, so just now I noticed ENGEL says green is more than just a color.
Yes.
So how does ENGEL make green just a color? Let's move.
You know, our machines are green, but
Yes.
green is more than a color.
Yeah.
And we demonstrate this here at the CHINAPLAS on this machine. This is a Duo 700-ton machine, and this is equipped with the skin melt technology. What does it do? With this technology, you can inject some of the recycled material, and you can see that also here inside. You see the white part. This is some recycled PP material, and outside the skin material is a new material. Thank you. Here you can see it even better. Thank you. Here you can see outside is the virgin material, the new PP material. Inside is the recycled material. And with our skin melt technology, we can do it in one shot, and you can even adjust the content of the core material and the skin material on our controller, and you can go up to like 50% of recycled material inside the box with still a perfect outside appearance. And also by introducing foaming technology here, we can even reduce the weight of the box.
Okay, so in addition to sustainability, digitalization is another hot topic for the plastic
Yes,
converters as
definitely,
well.
yeah.
They try to set up so many smart factories to
Yeah.
improve their efficiency. And I know ENGEL has its ENGEL 4.0.
Yes.
So how does ENGEL 4.0 to help its Chinese end users to improve their efficiency?
Yeah. With our Inject 4.0 technology, and we have also one expert corner here to demonstrate this in detail,
Yeah.
we cover the whole cycle from the design to the sampling to the production and maintenance and service.
Okay.
So for each of those stages in the life cycle, we have dedicated products like the SimLink technology, which links the simulation software to the machine, feeds the parameters of the machine into the simulation software, and the other way around, to make the whole process to produce a perfect product much faster.
Okay.
Then you have all the IQ products when you start the production to automatically find the right clamping force, and IQ hold control, the holding force, and a lot of other things to make the life of the injection molder much easier and more reliable and higher quality products.
Okay, so talk about automotive. I noticed these two machines are manufacturing some automotive parts,
Right.
right? So could you please tell us some details about its innovation?
Yes, yeah, this is a very exciting technology here. And if you can just move a little bit closer to this cell, you will see here with an E6 articulated robot, you find here, this is what we call a bipolar plate of a fuel cell. And what we do here is we do in one step the LSR sealing around this one, and you need a couple of bipolar patterns in the fuel cell to generate the electricity. Complete automated process, including a gluing station to make sure that the sealing is perfectly applied and stays. And then on our insert machine, it's a perfect solution for those kind of applications. And then an LSR EPDM material is injected. The orange one you see here is injected to provide this sealing effect.
So that means ENGEL can help to produce some very high precision parts
Definitely,
of the
yeah.
automotive industry.
And this is a high precision part, definitely.
Yes,
Yes.
that's amazing. That's amazing. So just now we're talking about automotive and medical. Most these three industries are very popular recently in China. So I know ENGEL has its factory, one factory in Shanghai,
Yes.
right?
Yep.
So how does ENGEL has any plans to improve, to increase its localization in China?
We have meanwhile in China about 1,000 people working
Yeah.
for ENGEL, so we have
Yeah.
in the recent years increased the localization rate quite a lot, not only in the production, but also in the experts we have in the country now to support our customers by processing technologies, by mold engineering, but also automation and a couple of other things, because if you just buy a machine, you will not be able to reach up the next level. We have
Yeah.
to take our customer by the hand to develop together
Yeah.
a higher level of technology in the products our customer is producing.
Okay. And we also noticed another trend in the injection molding industry, that is that quite a lot of plastic converters move through Southeast Asia, like Vietnam and
Yes,
Thailand.
yes.
So what is ENGEL's strategies for the Asia further development?
Southeast Asia is an important part, of course, of Asia, even though China is the biggest single market.
Yeah.
But we already established a technical center in Bangkok, where we have lab machines, where we can do trials for customers, where we do seminars, where we do training for our customers. And that's basically our hub for Southeast Asia. We also have office and subsidiary in Vietnam, but also in Singapore. So there's a lot of focus and attention to this region, because you have a lot of companies from like China, but
Yeah.
also Korea and Japan
Yes.
moving into this area, and we want to go this way together with them.
Okay, thanks for Gero's sharing about ENGEL's innovations for the medical industry, for the automotive industry, and for more details about ENGEL's technology innovations, please come to CHINAPLAS 2024 and ENGEL's booth. Thank you.
Welcome to join us here. Thank you very much.
Thank you. Thank you.